The new AirPods 3rd generation have arrived. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMac. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you already subscribed, welcome back. So today we are taking a look at the AirPods Generation 3 with the MagSafe charging case. These are gonna be really fun to test and try out. Apple's putting a lot of features into the new AirPods, kind of balancing between what the AirPods were and what the AirPods Pro are, and putting them together in a brand new package, literally, but also figuratively. So per usual, new Apple product, gotta unbox it. But before we go any further, I do need to give a huge thank you and shout out to Apple for sending over a pair of these AirPods 3rd generation for review. So with that having been said, the unboxing of the new AirPods. Quick look at the box, you can see what the AirPods look like right there on the front. We have AirPods MagSafe charging case on the top, Apple logo on the right side, Apple logo on the left side, more device information on the bottom, and of course, more information on the back, but we care about what's in the box, so let's unbox the AirPods box right now. Two little tabs here, we shall take care of that. 1, 2, and we are good to go. The moment we've been waiting for. Designed by Apple in California. We have a little packet of information here which we will remove, and underneath that we will see the AirPods 3rd generation. But before we get to the good stuff, we have a little paperwork to do. We have a packet of information here. We will see what comes in it. First things first, you will see your quick start guide for the AirPods right there. So if you want to know how to quickly and easily connect the AirPods to your other Apple devices or your Bluetooth device, you could do that. All the information on how to use them right there. You also do have some safety and handling information right there. And then some regulatory compliance information right there. And then last but not least, you do have some warranty summary information as well. That's a full day's worth of reading. Feel free to look through that if you want to, right there. And that does it for the box. Pretty simple. We're gonna put this off to the side. Take a closer look at this puppy right here. This is the MagSafe charging case with the AirPods 3rd generation inside. We shall remove this. Oh my goodness, and I almost removed the cellophane without even trying to. Oh, a little trickery here. Do not forget, under your AirPods, we have a couple things as well. We shall remove this, and by a couple things, I mean one thing, you do have your USB-C to Lightning cable. We could undo this. Why do I always have problems with the cable? Someone please give me a lesson on how to unbox the cable part of an unboxing the sexy way. But this is indeed your 3-foot USB-C to Lightning. You could use this to charge up your AirPods 3rd generation MagSafe charging case, but of course, since it's MagSafe compatible, you could just wirelessly charge it as well. So cable to the side. And now we shall take a closer look at the actual AirPods themselves. Whew, here we go. We shall take them and remove the cellophane. We could just pop them out. Boop. Like that, are you ready? Here we go. Ooh, this case is so glossy. It's not gonna be glossy for much longer, so enjoy it while you can. That's the only problem with that classic Apple white gloss. It scratches a little easily, but it doesn't matter. What matters is what's on the inside, so let's take a look at that. Inside the charging case, bam! The AirPods 3rd generation. There they are. And we will quickly take these out of the case just to show you what they look like. All right, we'll take a closer look at the charging case in just a second, but first a closer look at the AirPods 3rd gen themselves. You can see you have that shorter, stubbier kind of design with that pinch mechanism here to actually have the track controls and everything else you want. You have that same kind of oblong shape that we're used to on the AirPods Pro. But for comparison purposes, let's hope I don't mess these up. We do have my AirPods Pro and my AirPods 2nd generation. We will remove all these from the case so you know what I'm talking about here. AirPods Pro on the left, your AirPods 3rd generation in the middle, and your AirPods 2nd generation on the right. So some clear differences, but also some clear similarities here. If you take the AirPods Pro and the AirPods 2nd generation, they make a baby. This is what you get. You get the AirPods 3rd gen. So if I actually remove the ear tip from the AirPods Pro, you can see just how similar they are. Obviously a little bit different, but a lot of similarities here as well. So there you go. There's a really close look at it right there. But that's all there is to it. We shall take the other AirPods, put them off to the side. Once again, focus on the reason why you're here, the AirPods 3rd gen. And I'm going to quickly place these in my ear. They fit nice. They fit exactly as you would expect them to fit. Interestingly enough, I feel like they have more passive noise reduction than we're used to in the AirPods 2nd generation. So no active noise cancellation in the AirPods 3rd gen, but just putting them on right now, I feel like they're somewhat muffing out some ambient noises. My voice is somewhat muffled, so passive noise cancellation, actually probably gonna be pretty good now. But let's pair these babies. I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max here, which I'm gonna pair these AirPods to. I'm gonna put the AirPods 3rd generation back in their charging case for just a second here. And that didn't take long at all. The AirPods pop up immediately. All I have to do to connect them is literally press one button. I love that little intro right there. So you're gonna have a little walkthrough on your iPhone that's gonna tell you about the AirPods. Little intro animation to get you know how to use those pinch controls there. And then you can see the battery here too. So 75% on both. We are done. We should be connected just as soon as I take the AirPods out of their case and put them in my ear. You hear the little chime in your ear. Could not be simpler. My AirPods are connected, so you're not gonna be able to hear this, but I'm gonna do a quick little listening test to see what the initial thoughts are that I have on the sound quality. Let's play some classics. All right, okay, so some thoughts. After about 15, 20 seconds of listening, sound quality is pretty much exactly what I would expect from these. I do think they sound better than the 2nd gen. I don't know if they sound quite as good as the AirPods Pro, but per usual, Apple's working a little of the Apple magic into the AirPods 3rd generation. We do have adaptive EQ, which is basically where there's an inward-facing microphone and the AirPods will literally listen to themselves to play music better, to play audio better. Basically, the AirPods are like, ooh, was that in tune? Did that sound good? No? Okay, let's tweak it a little bit. But they're doing that like all at the exact same time. On the fly, crazy. And if we put the AirPods away, the last thing I do wanna show here is if we take this MagSafe charger, all you have to do now to actually charge up the AirPods with a MagSafe charging case is quite literally just place them down. Just like that, they magnetize on. There's no guessing game. In fact, they're actually sticking there, so they're not coming off. That's how you could charge your AirPods wirelessly. Now, you don't even need the actual charging cable if you don't want it. So that's awesome, I love that. In case you're wondering, AirPods Pro now will have a MagSafe charging case when you get them. If you bought the AirPods Pro before the MagSafe actually came out, don't worry, you could actually still charge your AirPods Pro with the MagSafe. As you can see right there, they're charging up. There's just not really magnets there to help you place it, so it's just basically acting as a regular wireless charger there. So that on top of spatial audio and a couple other features, and of course, how simple and easy it is to actually just take these out of the case, put them in your ear, and be connected to your iPhone or your other Apple devices. Could not be simpler. And overall, I think it's cool to see what Apple's doing here with the AirPods 3rd generation. They're basically giving you a middle ground between the AirPods 2nd generation and the AirPods Pro. So it'll be curious to see over the next couple days and couple weeks putting these AirPods to the test if they're what I am hoping they are going to be. Per usual, if you guys do not want to miss any of the content that I have for the AirPods 3rd generation, and to make sure you do not miss the full review video of these bad boys when that drops, do yourself a favor, smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on, so that way you'll be one of the first to know when any new content for these puppies drops on this channel. And per usual, if you guys are interested in learning more about the AirPods 3rd generation, or just to snag some of these bad boys for yourself, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/AirPods3, bmac.link/AirPods3, or as usual, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so be sure to check that out. And with that having been said, I am now going to go listen to some TV shows in spatial audio, because I can do that now with these AirPods 3rd generation, not just on the AirPods Pro, you get them on the new AirPods too. So I'm gonna go do that. Maybe a movie, TV show, one of the two. We'll see what I got going on here. I will see you guys in my next video. And I just messed up by putting all these together. I'm gonna have to figure out which one's which. It won't be that hard, because they're kind of easy to tell apart, but I'm getting myself confused. Okay, wait, hold up, which one's which?